Welcome! This video will show you how to quickly replace a file keeping its name intact in Windows using Copywhiz. Normally, replacing a file having a different name than the source file takes multiple steps. But with Copywhiz, you can replace or overwrite a file in just a few clicks. The file name stays unchanged after replacing. That's the key advantage. Let us find out how. This is an old picture, which we will replace with a new one. And here is the new picture. Select the file, right-click, and copy them using Copywhiz. Go back to the folder containing the old picture. Select the file and choose Paste Special option in Copywhiz. The Paste As option will replace the old picture with the new one. Done! Let's check. As expected, the file name remains the same. Copywhiz eliminates several steps. Truly an amazing feature. Download Copywhiz for free today from our website, conceptworld.com. Also check out more Copywhiz videos to explore other interesting features.